Hello everyone. Welcome to my channel Magazine Day. Today we will talk about Yagmur Yuksel and Baris Baktas. Before the video starts, please subscribe to my channel and press the like button. Thank you, and let's get into my video. Alright everyone, get ready for a twist so utterly shocking, so completely unexpected, that it will send ripples through the entire world of Turkish drama. Just when we thought the tumultuous love story of Baris Baktas and Yagmur Yuksel had reached its heartbreaking conclusion, with rings allegedly thrown and confessions of failure echoing in the air, a new, astonishing declaration has reportedly emerged from Yagmur herself. This isn't just about moving on, it's about a desire so potent, so unwavering, that it defies all logic and previous perceptions. We've all witnessed the public drama, the passionate on-screen chemistry, the alleged real-life proposal, the devastating rejection, and the raw heartbreak that followed. Just recently, Baris was reportedly grappling with his complicated marital status, and whispers even hinted at his wife, Gülüm, taking a firm stance against any divorce. The path for Dilbar seemed irrevocably closed, sealed by heartbreak and undeniable external factors. But now, a new and utterly astonishing report claims to reveal Yagmur Yuksel's true feelings, a hidden longing that challenges every assumption. Her alleged words paint a picture of enduring hope, a steadfastness that flies in the face of all the obstacles, suggesting she's not just moving on, but actively looking towards a very specific future. According to circulating whispers, Yagmur Yuksel has allegedly made a declaration that will leave you absolutely speechless. She is reportedly waiting for Baris Baktas to divorce his wife. Yes, you heard that right. This alleged admission from Yagmur herself, if true, means that despite all the pain, the public scandal, and the seemingly insurmountable barriers, her heart still harbors a deep-seated hope for a future with Baris. It suggests an incredible resilience, or perhaps a profound conviction, that their destiny is intertwined, even if it means waiting for the dissolution of another marriage. This would ignite a firestorm of controversy, pulling us back into the most complicated love triangle in Turkish celebrity history, and turning all previous endings into mere pauses. However, it is crucial to state that despite the highly dramatic nature of this claim, my recent searches for any credible, widely reported news from reputable media outlets confirming that Yagmur Yuksel made a statement saying "I am waiting for Baris Baktas to divorce his wife" have yielded no verified results. While speculation about their relationship and Baris' marital status is ongoing, there are no official reports or direct quotes from Yagmur Yuksel confirming such a direct and explicit desire to wait for Baris to divorce his current wife. The primary reports about Yagmur's recent actions indicate a move away from Baris, such as allegedly throwing the ring. Therefore, while this claim would indeed be an explosive new twist in the Dilbar saga, it remains unsubstantiated by reliable media outlets. It appears to be a powerful, yet unconfirmed, piece of dramatic speculation, reflecting the enduring hope and intense fascination among fans for a reconciliation, despite the significant real-life complexities involved. If you still didn't subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to check out the other videos. Thanks, bye.